My name is Showman.
And I'm Bojan Jovanovic.
We're the owners of Nortech Packaging and Tishma Technologies, experts in packaging and where automation happens. We make pre-made pouch machines, cartoners, case packers, and palletizers.
Let us show you our feature machine for this year's Pack Expo.
Thank you. Thank you. This is our RU100 pre-made pouch machine. Some of the key features of this machine are auto adjustability to give you as little as a 10-second changeover. The pouch formats that we can take have the largest flexibility in the industry. We can go as small as a 4-inch pouch to as large as a 16-inch pouch, and with weights up to as high as 50 pounds. No one else on the market can do that. Another key feature is our infeed, where we get rid of the shingling effect on the introduction of the pouches into the system. Our approach to stack the pouches gives you 100% efficiency on pouch placement into the system. Come visit our website and find out more of the details on the RU100. The MicroStack is the newest member of our palletizing family. It offers the most compact footprint on the market for all palletizers. Some of the key features of this unit are the ability to remove the pallet and place a new pallet in with just a hand truck, so no forklift required. It also has a buffer zone that can give you up to 10 to 15 minutes of buffer time to keep production running while you do replace the pallet. Other key features, you can come to our website to learn more. Here you'll find our TT400 vertical cartoner. This is a high-speed cartoner running 750 cartons a minute. With positive product handling and various infeeds, we really stand in a class by ourselves when it comes to vertical cartoning. Please visit our website to find out more. This is our TT1200 top load case packer, one of the most compact case packers on the market. We have speeds up to 20 cases a minute and a size range of 4x6 up to 16x24 size cases. On our infeeds, we can handle just about any product or in any application, and we also round out our offering with a side load case packer and a wraparound case packer.